Right, hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades, the best place on YouTube to be getting your up-to-date Bitcoin and cryptocurrency analysis, because as soon as I've completed it, I post it to YouTube. And in today's video, well, I've just gone $2.6 million long on Bitcoin with quite some extreme leverage. And I'm going to explain exactly why I've done that and what I'm expecting to happen to Bitcoin in today's video. But just before we get on to that, if you wouldn't mind slapping a like on today's video. We're trying to hit 1,000 likes on every video that we post on this channel. We miserably failed yesterday, which was very disappointing. So again, if we could try again, I'm going to ask every video anyway, but it's important that we do get the likes because I want these channels to grow so that Bitcoin grows as well. So every like really does help. And again, if you leave a comment in the comment section below, when YouTube sees engagement, YouTube likes engagement. So engage with my content and I'll greatly appreciate that. But anyway, when it comes to my current open positions, when it comes to Bitcoin's price, I have just gone $2.6 million long, as you can see here, on the price of Bitcoin. The current price of Bitcoin is $45,804 at the time of filming today's video. And if we go over to TradingView right now, you'll be able to see exactly what's going on with the price of Bitcoin. Now, we're just toying with this level of support here, currently trading at around $45,800. If we keep dropping to the downside, I'll close my position. I'm not intending to take a big loss on this. I really don't think that will happen. But in this particular case here, we're abiding by this level of support at $45,700 to $45,800. So long as we maintain that level of support, Bitcoin should in theory bounce from there quite significantly back to the upside. And we're looking for a target here of around $45,600, give or take, $46,500. Sorry, I got my numbers mixed around there, but you get the point. We're expecting a bounce from Bitcoin at this moment in time, which is why I've just gone long on the price of Bitcoin. I've also today, I've had my hair cut. Can you tell? I'm not losing the side bits yet, but getting a little bit hairy out. We're going to get a little bit grey on the sides. I'm only 25, but hair transplants, that's why we make money. Anyway, when it comes back to Bitcoin's price, we're just bouncing right now, which is very nice to see. Well, again, we're looking at my current open position. What it's trying to do is scare me out of this position because I am high leverage and there'll be a lot of high leverage in the market. But one of the key reasons why I think that Bitcoin is about to bounce is look at this negative funding rates. Everybody is short right now. Whenever we see green on this chart, we know that a lot of people are short. Currently, Binance, Bybit, OKX, Huobi, FTX, and DYDX, they are all majorly short on all of those exchanges, which for me, I see that as a bullish sign, not a bearish sign. When you have a majority short position, ultimately you should bet against the majority, in my opinion, in my experience as well. Betting against the majority is what tends to pay best as Bitcoin changes direction and wrecks the majority. Now, when it comes back to analyzing the current price of Bitcoin, what are we expecting in the short term? Well, so long as we abide by this support level here at $45,800, we are expecting a bounce back to the upside, and the logical level of resistance from here would sit at these levels here at $46,500. Breaking $46,500 would lead us back up to these next resistance levels here at $47,300, and a break of $47,300, well, we're at the moon right there. However, if we are to fail at these support levels right here, if these support levels fail, then the next target would be these support levels here, currently trading around $45,500, and a failure at $45,500, that means we go back down to this support level here that is currently trading at $44,800. Failure at $44,800, well, that means that kind of like we're going to have a bit of a horrible time, which is why, to be honest, I don't think there's all that much room in Bitcoin right now for a major breakdown in price. I don't buy it. I know that some of the higher time frames are a little bit bearish, and I'm going to bring your attention to those. And I just want you to be aware of the downside risk in Bitcoin right now. But if I bring to your attention the long-term indicators, what we're looking at right now, we've got a possible cross bearish here on the MACD. If we look at, I don't know why the RSI isn't working. Oh, it's working now. If we look at the 4 hour, currently we're trading pretty neutral, but with a bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. As we can see, Bitcoin's price has declined, but we have these bullish divergences on the both RSI and the MACD. So the 4 hour is indicating some kind of bounce, which should come fairly soon. The hourly indicators are showing that, again, we have bullish divergence forming and yet bearish price action. So that is another good bullish thing to be seeing in the charts right now. And again, on the weekly chart for me, this is the trade to end all trades. This is Bitcoin's price over an incredibly long period of time because each one of these lines represents 1 week. But we can see on the weekly chart, we've ticked bullish. And last time we ticked bullish on the weekly chart, if we go from here, we can see that Bitcoin rallied up very significantly. So I'm expecting a very similar thing to happen this time round, essentially. And I feel like this is the calm before the storm. And I feel like this week is going to end very, very bullishly. So if you agree with me, slap a like on this video. If you disagree with me, slap a like on this video. If you like this video, slap a like on this video. And yeah, I appreciate everything. If you wouldn't mind supporting the channel, please use the links for exchanges in today's video description. But on that note, guys, thank you all very much for watching today's video. If you appreciate it, slap a like on it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.